You can learn more from the failure than from the success. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Now, India's #1 employment portal. This is Srikanth Pochiraju. And here is the good news for all the BTech students, because Rail India Technical and Economic Service has announced the notification for central jobs, that is RITES Engineer Jobs 2020. So let's go to Google and search for RITES Engineer Jobs 2020 Freshers Now. Okay, search for this and open the first website over here. And if you see here, RITES Engineer Jobs 2020 notification. Let's scroll down to see the full details. Okay, if you see here, Rail India Technical and Economic Service has announced this notification for the post names as engineer. So in the engineer we have three subcategories like civil, electrical and mechanical. So the total vacancies for this post is 170. The starting date to apply for this job already started, and the closing date to apply for this job is 26th November 2020. You should apply for this job through online. Okay, the selection process, we have two rounds over here. The first round is written test and the second round is personal interview or document verification. Okay, the job location, let's talk about the job location. Job location is pan India. It may be throughout India. So you may get in Delhi, you may get in Andhra Pradesh, you may get in Tamil Nadu. So throughout India you will get the jobs. Okay, let's scroll down. If you see here, let's see the vacancies for each and every category. We have three categories, I already mentioned you. For the first category is engineer, civil. For this post we have 50 vacancies. And the next thing, engineer electrical branch. For this post we have 30 vacancies. Next one is engineer mechanical. For this post we have 90 vacancies. So totally 170 vacancies for this post. Okay, let's scroll down and see the education qualification to apply for this job. Candidates who completed either BE or BTech or BSc degree in civil, electrical and electronics, mechanical production, industrial, automobile engineer as education qualification. Okay, so if you fall under this any category, just apply to this job. Okay, the next thing is age limit. The age limit for this job is below 40 years. Okay, if you see the maximum age limit for the RTIS.com Mechanical Engineers Careers 2020 is 40 years. Okay, let's scroll down and see the selection process for this. I already mentioned you in the starting that we have two rounds. The first round is written test, second round is personal interview, and the last one is document verification. Okay, the last one, let's see. I know you are eagerly waiting to know the salary for this post. For the salary for this post is 19,860 rupees. Okay, I am repeating, the salary for this post is 19,860 rupees. Okay, the application fee, let's see the application fee for this post. For general category or OBC candidates, it is 600 rupees plus taxes. Okay, the next category is EWS, SC, ST, PWD candidates. It is 300 rupees plus taxes. Okay, let's scroll down and see the official notification of RITES Engineer Jobs 2020. Okay, if you see here, here is the official notification, and see the application form 2020 for RITES. So here is the application form. So if you want to register, just add your vacancy number, vacancy type, name of the applicant, your father name or husband name, gender, category, date of birth, email ID, your phone number, and each and everything. Submit each and every detail about yourself and just click the button submit. Okay, so if you do this, you can apply for this job. This is the process to apply for this job. Okay, I hope everything is clear about this RITES Engineer Jobs. So if there is any doubt regarding this, just drop us a comment. Our team will get back to you, or we will give you the link in the description. Just follow that link frequently to know the updates about this RITES Engineer Jobs. And please do subscribe to our channel for more videos on IT and government jobs. Thank you. Have a nice day.